car interior brushes remove dust from tight spaces, protect surfaces, and keep your vehicle clean and well-maintained. Today's video is about top 5 best car interior detailing brush that's available in the market. If you want to know price and more information about the products that mentioned in this video, you may check the link in description box below. So now let's get started. Starting at Relentless Drive Car Interior Brush. This car interior cleaning brush is a simple yet highly effective tool for keeping your vehicle spotless. Its compact 10-inch size fits easily in the glove box, making it convenient for quick cleanups whenever dust starts to build up. The premium microfiber chenille head lifts dust efficiently without scratching or leaving lint on delicate surfaces like dashboards, center consoles, or door panels. I appreciate how lightweight and easy it is to maneuver, allowing it to reach tight corners with minimal effort. Despite its compact size, it covers larger areas quickly, making routine interior maintenance fast and hassle-free. It's also versatile enough to use on motorcycles, RVs, and even around the home, adding extra value. Whether you're a detailing enthusiast or simply want a cleaner cabin for everyday driving, this brush is a practical accessory that keeps your interior looking fresh and well-maintained. Overall, it's durable, portable, and an excellent addition to any car cleaning kit. Now our second product is Oesee Car Interior Brush. This 4-piece car wheel cleaning brush set is a great choice for keeping rims and tires looking their best. The kit includes everything needed for detailed wheel care, with soft plush brushes for rim surfaces and cracks, a detailing brush for lug nut areas, and a stiff tire brush for removing stubborn dirt. The metal-free design and extra soft fibers help prevent scratches, making them safe for various wheel finishes. I like how the thick synthetic bristles hold plenty of cleaning solution, allowing dirt, brake dust, and grime to be removed more efficiently. The flexible plush brushes can bend up to 360 degrees, making it easier to reach tight spaces in hidden areas. The silicone grip provides comfortable handling while preventing slips during cleaning. After use, the brushes rinse easily and dry quickly for convenient maintenance. Overall, this versatile wheel cleaning kit delivers effective, scratch-free cleaning and is a valuable addition for anyone who wants a cleaner, well-maintained vehicle. Our third product is TTRCB Car Interior Brush. This 26-piece car cleaning kit is a complete solution for anyone who wants professional-level detailing at home. The set includes a wide variety of brushes, drill attachments, towels, spray bottle, wash mitt, and storage bag, covering everything from interior cleaning to exterior maintenance. The different detailing brushes are perfect for reaching tight spaces like vents, seams, lug nuts, and engine areas, while the drill brush attachments make tackling larger surfaces faster and easier. I especially like the 17-inch wheel brush, which reaches deep into rims without scratching, and the tire brush that effectively removes stubborn dirt. The soft washing tools, microfiber covers, and rotating cleaning head help achieve a thorough clean without damaging surfaces. The included wire brushes also add versatility for different cleaning tasks around the car or home. With its organized storage bag, this kit is convenient to use and store. Overall, it's a valuable and practical detailing set for car enthusiasts and everyday drivers alike. Now number 4, Tanlade Car Interior Brush. This soft car wash brush set is a practical tool for keeping vehicles and outdoor surfaces clean with minimal effort. Each brush measures about 10 inches and fits most standard 3/4 inch threaded handles or extension poles, making it easy to customize your cleaning setup. The soft PVC bristles effectively remove dust, dirt, and grime while helping prevent scratches on delicate surfaces like paint, mirrors, and trim. I like the large brush surface, which covers more area at once and saves time during washing. The built-in water flow design helps distribute water through the bristles, improving cleaning efficiency and rinsing away dirt more easily. Made with a sturdy PP shell, the brush feels durable and reliable for long-term use. It works well on cars, trucks, RVs, boats, campers, and even household surfaces. With 2 brushes included, this set provides a convenient backup or shared option for family use. Overall, it's a versatile and gentle cleaning accessory for everyday maintenance. And our last choice is Luckily Joan Car Interior Brush. This short-handle tire brush is a convenient tool for keeping wheels and rims looking clean and polished. It makes the cleaning process simple, just add water and soap, then easily scrub away dirt, brake dust, and grime. The feathered bristle ends provide gentle yet effective cleaning, helping protect surfaces while restoring the original shine of wheels. I like the heavy-duty non-slip handle, which offers a comfortable and secure grip, especially when working in tight areas like wheel wells and around spokes. The compact design makes it easy to maneuver without feeling bulky or difficult to control. Another useful feature is that the bristles can be reshaped by soaking the brush in hot water for a few minutes, helping extend its usability. Beyond tires and rims, it works well for motorcycles, bicycles, RVs, boats, grills, engine bays, bumpers, exhaust tips, and more. Overall, it's a versatile and reliable cleaning accessory for maintaining a spotless vehicle. So what do you think about this video? If you think this video is really helpful to take your decision easier, kindly subscribe our channel and click the bell icon to notify our upcoming video. Thank you for watching this video.